Are you worried about the safety and efficiency of your utility fleet? You're not alone. Utility companies face mounting challenges managing on-road operations and ensuring driver safety. Introducing SureCam's innovative dash cameras and GPS tracking systems, the ultimate solution for fleet management. With real-time video telematics, you'll gain complete visibility into your fleet. Improve driver safety with monitoring to reduce reckless behavior and accident rates. Lower your insurance and repair costs by providing undeniable video evidence to dispute false claims. Efficiently manage your equipment inventory, enhancing organization and compliance at job sites. SureCam stands out with its network-connected cameras that monitor both the road and your equipment. Our technology transitions your company from reactive to proactive management. Don't wait. Book a demo with SureCam today. Experience enhanced safety, lower costs, and streamlined operations for your utility fleet.